My name is Vivian Kathleen Peters. I'm doing hairdressing level 3 at East Sussex College, Eastbourne campus. Level 3 is quite diverse in what it covers. So there's 8 mandatory units and 2 that we get to choose from, which is quite nice because once you've reached a level 3 standard, everyone kind of has their preference or their area that they maybe want to specialise in, that they have particularly good skills in, and then they have another area that they might have areas they want to develop. So that the parts that we choose, so we have a colour correction section, or you can do salon management. So if someone has found that they are particularly good at managing teams of people and they like the health and safety side, they opt for that unit. Or if it's someone who's really passionate about their colouring or they just want to develop their skills in that area, they choose to do the colour correction unit to give them some extra qualifications up to a level 4 standard as our extra units. So there are also competitions that students can enter. So World Skills has competitions for every department, but I'm entering this year for hairdressing. So I'll be doing creative cutting and colour. So there's 3 stages to that. So we're just in the planning for creating my look at the moment. So that's something I've got upcoming, which they've really supported in me going ahead with doing the competition. So my teacher has been planning some extra time for me to create my design and practice and prepare for the competencies and the criteria you have to hit for the competition. So that's really good. So the reason I came to college was because I wanted to develop my skills in hairdressing, but I also wanted to learn new skills, interact with new people, develop my communication skills, which are really relevant to any career that you progress on to later in life, whether it's in hairdressing, whether you become a hairdressing teacher or a salon or a colour rep. It's kind of relevant to any career that you go on to from your chosen course or pathway you choose from your course. Also, it's always great to learn new techniques. I think if you just train with one person, then you don't have a well-rounded view. It's better to be shaped and moulded from lots of different people. So after this year, I'm just starting at a new salon outside of here, but I'm also hoping to stay on and do my teacher training. I like the assignments that we have in the course structure. I enjoyed writing about hair, writing about the theory. I quite like the science of hair. So I'm hoping to do a teacher training course, which should take about 18 months, and then develop my skills, and then hopefully become a tutor in a few years' time. So in a college like this.
Hello and welcome to Eastbourne campus. This is just part of our hairdressing and barbering team, and we teach across all levels and all courses. And as you will read, we are all industry experts. We like to keep up to date with trends and fashions within our industry. In the following slides, we're going to talk you through our courses and show you how exciting a career could be for you in our world.
Level 1 hairdressing is a qualification that's been designed to introduce you to the complete range of practical hairdressing skills. This will act as a foundation for you to progress onto the next level of vocational learning at level 2. During this qualification, you will study a few different units, including shampooing the hair, blow drying, setting hair on rollers, plaiting, styling women's hair, and also you will be covering health and safety, how to present yourself within the hairdressing industry, and the application of temporary colour.
Hello, Paula here. Hairdressing has always been a dynamic industry, and with this level 2 qualification, it's a great way to launch your career into our industry. You will develop your skills across a range of techniques such as shampooing, cutting, colouring and styling. You will also develop your communication and client service skills along with awareness of environmental sustainability, problem solving and research skills, all of which are valued by employers. You will learn these skills through practical workshops whilst working on each other, our blocks, which are mannequin heads, and members of the public in our commercial salons. There is a theory side to the qualification which contains written exams and project work. Once you've completed your level 2 in hairdressing, you can progress on to level 3 or barbering or employment. Hairdressing level 3. This course is designed to bring out your artistic flair and give you an opportunity to learn more creative skills and techniques and gain an insight into supervisory roles within salons. All of the techniques are at an advanced level, so that's the practical side and the theory-based side of this course. This course will also help you succeed within a highly competitive job market by developing your skills and knowledge that employers need you to have. All the photos in our presentation today are of our students and their own work, and on this slide I have shown the creative design unit. The students had to work towards a theme which was emerging fashion, a very avant-garde concept, way out there, a chance for students to combine their techniques that they've learned and really go for it. Before preparing this slide today, I asked my current students which was their favourite unit this year in the qualification, and they all said colouring. Within this unit, you'd learn techniques such as ombre, balayage, baby lights, root melts, root dabs, money pieces. The list goes on. It's anything that's really in trend at the moment, and you've probably heard of some of those terms. All our practical takes place in commercial salons or members of the public who pay a lot less than the high street salons. I'm really proud to say that most of the level 3 students have gained employment in salons, which is truly fantastic. And on our next slide, we would love to share with you a 2-strand braid. After this presentation, I will share it on our Evolve social media pages, and we would love it if you could have a go. And if you don't have long hair, or someone in your household doesn't have long hair, then think outside the box. Maybe you'd like to use a piece of string or wool, or even some green garden string.
I'm Wayne. I'm the barbering lecturer for levels 2 and 3 at our Eastbourne campus. It's great to hear that you have an interest in hairdressing and barbering. In my opinion, these are some of the most creative and vibrant industries out there. You can travel the world and always have the ability to earn money. Level 2 barbering, there is no entry level skills needed apart from being keen to learn and enthusiastic. Level 3 skills requirements are barbering levels 2 or hairdressing level 2 at a minimum. Level 2, you will master the art of clipper and scissor skills, health and safety in the salon, and it will prepare you to be able to work in the industry. In level 3, you will learn the most advanced techniques, cutthroat razoring, create and design clipper art in men's hair. I hope to see you soon in the 2021 class. Thank you.
The entry criteria for our level 2 courses are 4 GCSEs at grade D or a 3, Maths and English grade 3 and above. Please note you will study Maths and English alongside your vocational course if you do not achieve a grade 4 and above. If you don't achieve the entry requirements to get onto level 2, you can access our level 1 programme. Entry onto our level 3 hairdressing course, you have to have completed level 2 first.
Within the first few weeks, we aim for you to study health and safety, client care, and techniques such as shampooing and conditioning, cutting and styling. But it won't take you long until you're onto your first clients.
What can you do after my course? So in hairdressing and barbering, it's really good when you start a course to have a 5-year goal. Be ambitious, think about what you would like to do and research it. These are just some of the jobs that you could progress into. We always advise our students to progress onto our level 3 courses because that will give you more career options and opportunities. We have an image here of Zoe. She was our level 2 hairdressing student who progressed on to level 3. In level 3, she entered the World Skills competition, which is almost like an Olympics for hairdressing. And she actually got through to the 3rd round, which was the third final round, and she achieved a gold medal. Zoe was also awarded, which is shown in these images here, Student of the Year, and she gained a position in a local salon called Strands of Meads in Eastbourne, and she is now managing the salon. So it's absolutely fantastic.
In addition to your hairdressing studies, we like to plan some enrichments. So these take the form of competitions, hair shows, industry experience, work experience, trips out, festival hair and makeup for the ESCG Mini Fest, trips to exhibitions and manufacturers, and that includes practical workshops, employers, demonstrations and workshops within college. So bridal hair, hair extensions and ear piercing are in addition.
This is some photographs from our level 3 students, work that they did during the lockdown, and it was shared on our examination board social media pages, VTCT, and also our college social media pages. We would love it if you could like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram, ESC Evolve Eastbourne or Evolve Eastbourne. At college, all of our students wear a uniform, and this is a requirement from the examination board, and you can see our students here in their uniforms. So this would be an additional cost, which would be the uniform and the kit. The hairdressing and barbering kit is all the tools that you will need that will see you right the way through to level 3. At level 3, we just have a small top-up kit. We also have additional costs for enrichments.
This is David Adams. He was a pleasure to teach and a fast learner. It is very impressive that after completing his course, he's just about to open his own barbershop.
Plans for the start of course in September. The college will be following the government's requirements and will be fully prepared within our buildings and for all of our students learning. Thank you for listening to our presentation today. If you have any further questions, please don't hesitate to ask us. And if you're having a virtual prom and you're doing your own hair, we would love to hear about that as well. And if you would like any tips from us, we'll be welcome to share them with you. Thank you.